Going on, people, in today's video I'll be installing the camera bumper guards for the DJI Avata 2. In the pack I have ordered from Amazon. I have literally got a brand new screwdriver, TX screwdriver, with the two sides being orange to match the orange strips. However, I may consider wrapping these or plastic dipping these at a later on time, as I don't have the equipment now, but I may dip these into a carbon fiber or a different color. So let me know what color you would like to see or what you think. So this is just going to be a quick installation. I've got a flight planned in the next 35 minutes, which I need to leave to go to, so I won't be using the spare screws you got, but I love that you get spares. I'll keep those. Be using the original. So I'm going to keep the camera gimbal protector on. I don't believe you need to change those. So what I've currently done here, I've written for the left side and the right side, top bottom where I can place the screws, because they're different lengths. And if I get straight on the left side of the drone and twist that open, yeah, it's perfect. So yeah, they're magnetic, so this will be the top one. I'll place in the top section, and then the bottom, which is here. Yep, I'll put that spin. Try not to spin it. Try to be careful so you don't strip the screws, and ensure the screwdriver is placed directly in the groove of the screw, and that should come up shortly. The bottom one is much longer than the top. Whew. Yeah, both magnetic, so that's perfect. So what I'll be doing, I'll be putting on the left side of the drone, which is my right side first. And I think what I'd do to make life a little bit easier, sorry, I'm gonna cut my nose shortly, bear with me. Right, so if I pop this screw in, it may make life slightly easier getting that in. So if I go like so and just hold that up with my thumb. Oh, that wasn't that great. So I've lined it up. I'm gonna use the screwdriver to hold the screw up. Yep, there we are. Screw it a little bit in, just to give that in. I'm not gonna fully screw it in. I'm gonna add this one, just to make sure they're lined up correctly. Once that starts going in, wait, that's not lined up correctly. If I hold that, right. I knew something wasn't right because it just kept spinning. So in that case, this needs to line up. So if I slightly twist for you to see. Oh, there's sort of a notch inside there, so you sort of have to get it right in the middle. So the problem what I was having trying to install is all the screws here are the same size. So I'm guessing I do need longer screws. I'll be putting the original back in. And let me see if there's going to be a difference. Immediately, big difference. Right, so I'm going to fully screw that one in. Now I can tighten this bottom one. Tighten the top. Now I'm just going to double tighten up the bottom. The bottom tightened up, so then this screw, just drop this in the bag. Now over to the left. Right. 3, 2, 1, cut. Yeah. This part should be speed ramped, sped up. Guys, this is kind of bad because I started installing the other side of the prop already, the prop bumper, camera, gimbal protector already, yeah, but it's kind of good at the same time because I learned a lesson. I took out the screws and labeled them top and bottom, but I found that the one, because I bought this off Amazon, the screws that come with these are all the same and they're all longer than the ones for the DJI, because it took me 10 minutes trying to get the screw back in. I was thinking, what? This is what? I literally just labeled it fully on video. I had to rewatch the video back, refilm it, and then, yeah. So, yeah, I've part installed it, so I want to apologize, but at the same time, I want to teach you something. The bumper I am installing, in fact, comes with 4 screws and a screwdriver, TX screwdriver, sorry. This is the top screw that was in the top. When I show you the one I'm going to put in, you're going to be like, yeah, kind of was a good thing, saved me so much of the time. So, installing this, one thing I'll say about this, what I can see, it does protect the camera on the DJI Avata 2 from head-on collisions. However, this added protection does create sort of a hook effect. So I'm flying around sharp objects, I might get hooked on much more easier, or flying around sticks or trees, it might get hooked onto a tree much more easier and be prone to crash. So the screws that come in the bag, I thought they were just extras, but they're actually longer than all the screws. However, they're all the same length, so that's fine. And what I will do is line the bottom up, but I won't fully screw the bottom one in. I'll screw it a little bit in to give it a bit of structure, to give it a bit of structure for the top one. Actually, let me put that in first. Yep. So I'll put the screw in first. They're magnetic as well, so that does help. Line up with the hole. Screw that in. A little. There's a bit of resistance there. That's fine. I tilt the drone slightly so you can see it. See it at a better angle. If I just get the other screw, get one of the taller ones out of the bag. No, that's the bottom screw. Forget this tall screw here. And I line back up the top one. Top hole. Hold it there with my, oops. Yep, you hear that click, that's when you know it's in. Line it up, screw that in. Screw it in tight enough so it doesn't fall. I don't screw it fully tight. And go back to the bottom one. As you can see right there, the camera might not do me justice. Yeah, as you can see there, it's got a sticking out. So what I'm gonna do is just screw that in tight. Screw that in tight. Then back up to the top one. Get that in. I think that should be tight. Oops, no, that's a bit, still a bit loose. So loose compared to that one. Yeah, so you gotta screw it till it won't stop screwing. So back to the bottom. Keep screwing, boy, keep screwing. I think that looks alright. Yeah, that's pretty rigid. So what do you think of that now? What do you think? Do you think that looks much better, or do you prefer it without? If you enjoyed, or you have this currently, or you feel I installed it wrong, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. Once again, thank you for watching.